coming Sunday?
Yes.
Wow, I hope you will going to win, but third place is good. That's okay. Just want to try your best so that you will get the gold medal for the first place. But
I
don't
got
worry.
gold medal too.
Yeah, but don't worry, third place is okay as well. That's why.
In the trophy is third place.
All the trophies?
Yes.
Oh, that's good.
It's third place.
Third place? Oh, that's great. So don't worry about it. Okay, I think it's already 9:35, so we need to start it now. Yeah, we will going to start it now so that we can finish it early. So, everybody, good morning, everyone.
Morning, teacher.
Good morning.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning. How are you, everyone? How are you?
Good. Fine. Okay.
You're fine. You're okay. You're great. What else? You're wonderful.
I wonder.
How about the others? How are you doing? How about the others? Everyone is okay now?
Yes, sir.
That's good if every one of you are okay. So here,
Last.
okay. So, do you remember what is our topic last?
Mathematics.
No, I mean the topic of the mathematics last week, last Thursday. Do you remember it? What was it?
Mathematics.
Yeah, it's mathematics. But the topic, very good. It's all about time. So meaning to say, if you remember time, we're pertaining to what? I saw it for your homework, some of your homework. I checked already, and I saw it. Some of you still cannot determine the on time of morning, after, afternoon, and evening. So I will go back with that so that I can explain it to you more. So we will going to start it again, and here I will share my screen first. Okay, have you seen it now? Can you see it now, my PowerPoint?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. So if you can see it now, we will going to start. Wait. So here, as what I've told you last time, morning, afternoon, and night. Do you know what is it already? Where to start from morning and what time are you going to start from morning?
Nighttime.
Morning.
It's
It started from the
midnight.
after midnight, after 12 o'clock midnight, after midnight until what? Before?
Hey.
Before noon, midday or noon. That's the time that you will consider as morning. Early in the morning, that is or morning. So that's the meaning of morning. How about, what time did you consider as afternoon? Afternoon. What time is it? If it is afternoon. Good morning. So what time? What time are you going to start to consider as afternoon?
Evening.
Huh? What time is it? What time are you going to consider to start afternoon?
Start afternoon.
Yeah, start afternoon. What time is it?
Morning.
Afternoon, you are going to start from afternoon. For example, if it is
Oh.
12 o'clock, that is the noon time or midday. That is noon.
18 o'clock.
Yeah. 12:01, 12:00.
18 o'clock.
Yes, until 1800 hours. Yes, or 18 o'clock, 100 hours, or 6 o'clock in the afternoon until 1800 hours. So that's the time you consider as afternoon.
Noon.
How about evening? What time are you going to consider as evening? What time is it? It is, for example, it start with 18:01 until 11:59 or midnight or 12 midnight. You will consider that one as what? You will consider it as evening. Do you understand, class? Do you understand it?
Yeah.
Okay, I would like to ask you. So just tell me if it is morning, afternoon, or evening. For example, I will tell 8 o'clock.
Morning.
What was it?
Morning.
Okay, morning. How about if I will tell 1900
Evening.
hours? It is evening. It is evening. Remember that one. It is evening. How about if I will tell 1300 hours? 13. No.
Afternoon.
13.
Afternoon.
Huh? Yes, it's afternoon. It is afternoon. Remember that one. Don't be in rush. Remember it. If after 12, 13, 1 o'clock, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, that is afternoon. Remember that one, okay? How about if you can say 12? What are you going to consider that one? 12? 12.
Afternoon.
Huh?
Afternoon.
It is afternoon. You will consider afternoon. How about if it is there? If it is 24?
Oh, this evening.
Huh?
Evening.
What is it?
Evening.
Yeah, that is midnight. But where are you going to consider? Morning, afternoon, or evening?
Evening.
Huh?
Evening.
We will going to find it out later. Yeah, it is considered as,
Okay.
it will consider also as evening. Okay, now. That. Just wait. Okay, so remember this one, class. Don't be confused about the timing because I will explain it to you later on how you will going to read the time. But first, I would like to know you, to let you know all when are you going to know morning and when are you going to know afternoon and when are you going to know evening. So here, remember that one. Midday. This one, midday at noon. That is midday, midnight, at night, during night. So always remember of it. So let's go to the another page, because some of you cannot, I saw it, still you cannot determine the time that is morning, afternoon, and evening for your homework. As I said here last time, see how does it go every day? So we have here in the morning, see, in the morning, late morning, at noon, meaning to say at noon, that is 12 o'clock, because noon. Okay, I would like to ask you, what time is for midday? What time is for midday? What time is it for midday? Just look at your book. Just look at your book on page.
12:01 to
Midday. What was that? Midday. What time is it? Just look on your page 97. What time is it for midday?
midday.
Yeah.
You mean the
Midday.
first one?
Midday or noontime. What time is it?
I say 12:01.
12 o'clock, 1200 hours. That is 1200 hours. This one, midday. Oh, class, why? Here, midday.
I just said it already.
You tell 12:01.
Yes.
Midday. That is noon. Midday. Okay. Now,
Yes.
I would like to ask you, what time is midnight? You will consider as midnight. What time is midnight? We can call it midnight.
Midnight.
Yeah. Midnight.
24 hours.
Yes, very good. That is 2400 hours. Later on, I will tell you why we call it 2400 hours. So here, we call this one, we can read this one, it's 12 o'clock, right? Or 12, 2 zeros, 100, 1200 hours. By reading with it, 1200 hours. We can read that one by 1200 hours. For example, yeah, for example, this one, 1800 hours. This one, 600 hours. We can read that one in time. 1200 hours, like for example, 1100 hours. If we can read that one, if just reading, but if we tell reading the time. Okay, I would like to ask you, how can you read this one? Oh, this one, how can you read it? Look at it. How can you read that one? How can you read this one? Anyone who will volunteer?
900 hours.
Again.
10,000 hours.
No. The first one, 10,100 hours. The first one that you tell. Again, how about this one? How can you read?
800 hours.
Yes, 800 hours. 800 hours. How about? Okay, this one, how can you read it? How can you read this one? How can you read it? How can you read that one? Come on.
24,000 hours.
Is it 1,000? 2 zeros only.
Oh,
2,400
2,400
hours.
hours.
Okay. Okay, I will call someone. I said everybody listen. Just look at the PowerPoint because if I will call you, I want that you can answer. Okay. Narisara. What do you call for this? If you will read.
10,000.
No. It's 2 zeros only. See, you're not listening. 1,000 hours.
1,000 hours.
Oh, how about this one? How can you read?
800 hours.
Okay, how about this one? How can you read?
24 100 hours.
Oh, 100. It's not 100. 24. 100. 2,400 hours.
2,400 hours.
Yeah, just only 100. If 2 zeros, 100. If it is 3 zeros, that is thousands. Place value. Okay, if you remember the place value. Okay, I would like someone. How about Namcha? Namcha, what do you call
Camera.
for this time? Namcha, don't hide it. What do you call for that time? This one.
10
10 what? 2 zeros. What is it? Okay, 2 zeros. What is it, Namcha?
10
100 hours.
hours.
Again.
10 hours.
100. 1,000 hours. Again.
1,000 hours.
How about this one?
8 hours.
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 How about this one? What number is this?
24 hours.
2,400
2,400
hours.
hours.
Okay, just listen, Namcha. Okay, I want to call Punada. Punada. Okay, can you read this one? Can you read it?
Excuse me, I go to the toilet, please.
Okay. Can you read it? What do you call this? Can you read this one? Punada, this one. Can you read it? 1,000 hours.
Hours.
Because we're reading the time. Again, 1,000 hours.
1,000 hours.
Okay, how about this one?
800 towers.
Hours.
Towers.
Hours.
Towers.
Hours.
Hours.
Okay. 800 hours.
800 hours.
This one. How about this one?
2,400 tower.
Hours.
Hours.
Yeah, it's not towers. It's not towers. It's hours. So that you can pronounce hours. 2,400 hours. Okay. Again, Punada.
2,400 hours.
Yes, very good. Okay. Next, how about Kawintida? Kawintida, are you there? Kawintida? Okay, Kawintida, can you please read this one? Can you read it? Here. 100 hours. Again, Kawintida. 100 hours.
100 hours.
Okay. 100 hours. Okay, how about this one? How can you read this?
Show me, I go to the toilet, please.
Okay. How can you read that one, Kawintida? This one. What number is this? 100 hours. Again, read it again. This one, please. 800 hours.
Show me, I go to the toilet, please.
Okay, next. How about this one?
24.
This one, 2 zeros. 100. What? 2,400 hours.
400 hours.
Okay, very good. One more time, Kawintida. Kawintida. One more time. How can you read this one?
1000 hours.
Very good, Kawintida. Good job. Okay, I want to call another one. Very good. Jiramet, are you there? Jiramet. Hello, Jiramet. Jiramet, are you there?
Teacher, may I go to the toilet, please?
Yeah. Jiramet, are you there? Hello.
Teacher, he don't understand in English.
Yeah, it's okay. I will teach him. That's okay, Jiramet. ไม่เป็นไร Teacher Joy will teach you. Okay, Jiramet, can you open your camera? Okay. So here, Jiramet. How can you read this one? How can you read in time? This one, what number is this?
10.
Oh, 10. Very good. If 2 zeros, you call it hundreds. Put on, teacher. Hundreds.
100.
Then hours.
The hours.
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 Okay. 100 hours.
100 hours.
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 Okay, it's more easy for you for hours. 100 hours.
100 hours.
Okay, very good. How about this one? How can you read this one? What number is this?
8.
Okay, if 2 zeros, 100.
100.
Then hours.
Hours.
Okay, so just straight, read it straight. 800 800 hours.
800 hours.
Again, one more time.
800 hours.
Very good. Okay, another number. What number is this? What number is this? 24.
24.
Again, what number is this?
24.
Okay, this one. 100.
100.
If 20 only, no other number. If 20 only, you call that 100, okay? So again, 100.
100.
Then hours.
The hours.
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 2400 hours.
2400 hours.
Okay, repeat this one. How can you read? Yes.
100 hours.
Very good. And this one?
800 hours.
Good job. And how about the last one?
2400 hours.
Very good. Good job. See, I told you if you don't know, Teacher Joy will teach you. Good job, Jeramet. Very good. See, don't be shy, okay? Teacher Joy will teach you. If you don't know ไม่เข้าใจไม่เป็นไร Teacher Joy สอน Teacher Joy will teach you, okay?
Yes.
Very good, Jeramet. Good job. Okay, now I will go with someone. Atawi, are you there? I see him. I see him. Okay, Patawi, can you read this one? This one. How can you read it? Patawi. Patawi. Oh, yeah. Come on. How can you read this one? What number is this? 10.
10.
20. 100.
100.
100.
100
Hours.
hours.
Okay. 100 hours.
100 hours.
Okay. How about this one? How can you read this one? This. What number is this, Patawi?
8.
Okay. These 2 zeros. 100
100
hours. Don't close your mic.
hours.
Don't close first. 800 hours.
800 hours.
Okay, how about this one? How can you read it?
24.
24. 100
100
hours.
hours.
Again, one more time.
2400 hours.
Okay, how about last one? How about this one? The first one. What was it? This one, this one, this one. How can you read this one?
100
10,
10
100
100
hours.
hours.
Okay, very good, Patawi. So just practice how you will going to read your time. Okay, how about Warrington? Warrington, can you open your microphone? Okay. So what time, how can you read this one, the first one? 100
100
hours.
hours.
Again, one more time. Oh my.
100 hours.
Very good. And how can you read this?
800 hours.
Good job, Warrington.
2400 hours.
Wow, very good. Good job, Warrington. Very good. Okay, how about I want to call Panatat. Are you there, Panatat? Okay, very good, Panatat. Open your microphone, please. Open your microphone. Okay. Panatat, what time is this? How can you read this time? What number is this one? Ani alay? Ba alay? 10. 10. Then 50. 100. Putang teacher. 100 hours. Again, how can you read this all? 10, 100 hours. Again, oh my?
0.
Okay, very good. How about this one?
800 0
800 hours.
hours.
800 hours.
Hours.
Okay, remember this one, Panatat 8. Then if 2 zeros, hundreds. 100
100
hours.
hours.
800 hour.
800
Hours. Oh, how about this one?
2400 hours.
Very good. And this one, well, how can you read this? The first one.
1000 hours.
Very good. And this one.
800 hours.
Good job, Panatat. Very good. Wow, I like it. So how about
24
who else? No, I know you know it. I know you know Pagcharat. Yeah, because that's why I want. Okay, I want to call on
What?
Supawi. Supawi, hello. Okay, Supawi, how can you read this one, Supawi? How can you read this? What number is this? What number is this?
10.
Okay, this one. If 2 zeros, 100. 100
100
hours.
hours.
Okay, how can you read it straight?
10 hours.
Very good. Good job, Supawi. And the next? What number is this?
800 hours.
Good job. And last one.
24
Very good.
100
Okay.
hours.
Yeah, good job, Supawi. Very good. See, I told you, you know it. So how about? Oh, me. How about? Okay, everybody, open your microphone, everybody, because it's almost time. I cannot accumulate you all. So everybody open your microphone.
Okay.
Okay, ready. Well, how can you read this one?
However, 100 hours.
Okay, 2400.
800
Oh, did I point it? How about this one?
10 hours.
Very good. And how about this one?
800 hours.
How about, oh no. How about this one?
700
Okay, very good. So I think every one of you knows already how to read that time. Like, and how? When are you going to consider morning? And when are you going to consider night? Okay, just tell me if what is that, morning, evening, or night? For example, this one. 1500 hours. Morning, afternoon, or night? 1300 hours.
Afternoon.
Afternoon. Why afternoon? Because after 12 o'clock until 16, that is afternoon. Very good. So how about if I will tell?
16 is 18.
Yeah. Oh, sorry, 18. How about if it is 2,000 hours? What was that? If morning, after, or evening?
In the night.
Hi, good night. Why good night? Evening. Everybody, evening.
Evening.
Morning.
Morning.
Afternoon.
Afternoon.
Evening.
Evening.
Okay.
Midnight.
Remember that one class, huh? You must know the time when to consider morning, afternoon, and if, how about if it is this one? 100 hours. What was that? 100 hours. Morning, afternoon, or evening? 100 hours.
100 hours.
Oh, Ane, alright. What is this? Morning, afternoon, or evening? What was it? Where are you going to consider it? Is it morning? It is afternoon, or it is midnight? Huh? What is your answer? Morning, evening, afternoon? No one can answer? Oh.
Teacher, time.
Yeah. I know. It's time. I just.
Morning.
Yes, remember that one. That is morning. Why morning? Because it, as what I've said, from after midnight, started with 12:01 until before 12 o'clock at noontime, you will consider as morning. So very good. You will consider 1 o'clock as morning. Okay, so don't forget about how to read time. So because it's already time, we will continue it tomorrow, and I will tell you already where is the minute hand and where is the hour and in the clock. So everybody, just because it's already time, we will continue this topic for tomorrow. So everybody say thank you, teacher, and come back at 10:30.
Teacher,
Thank you.
Okay, see you.